Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video in the How to Start a Print-on-Demand Business series, and we are going to be talking about CKay Press. So I've been wanting to get on this website for a long time. I've heard mixed reviews about it, but one thing that is for certain, that this website interface is a little complicated. So right before we get into this video, please give me grace. Please understand that I am coming from a place of the same situation that you will find yourself in when you go to sign up on this website. So we're going to get lost together. We're going to be frustrated together, but in the end, we are going to figure it out. I was so confused when I first signed up on this website, and I know the feeling, and I know you may be too, but let's tell CKay Press that we are going to get through this. Maybe eventually they may change some things up, but know that I am going to try my best to get through this, and you will too, to be able to set up your store. If you're new here, just hit that subscribe button and a notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this here is CKay Press, right? First thing that pops up when you go on the website is subscribe and save. You guys know that when we start these websites, I like to start off fresh, showing you how to go ahead and sign up for a brand new account, putting in all the information, set up the account, and then hopefully by the time we get to the second video, we'll be able to upload some merch, okay? So right now they're really pushing St. Patrick's Day, lots of green stuff. Then they also show a lot of trending ideas of things that are happening. I love that they have license plates. So I'm super excited just to get into some of these different things. And then they do have the fan merch where you can partner with different companies to create merch for them as well. So they do have pet items too. So really nice website when you first look at it. And we're going to go right up here to the join button, okay? So it says become a member, create a free CKay Press account. So we're going to use our good dear old military spouse, and we're going to go ahead and create our password. And then I'm going to hit create account. Oh, make sure they match. Sometimes my finger slips. Okay, maybe it was the first one. Okay, they match now. So I'm going to hit create an account. So it says check your email. So I'm going to go over to my dear military spouse email. See if it's there yet. I'm going to hit that refresh button. May take a few minutes, but that is absolutely okay. All right. So we're going to go back over here, and there we go. So we got the welcome email. We are so excited you created an account with CKay Press. Now they want us to click this link so we can activate our account. I'm going to copy and paste it. Sorry, guys. There we go. So now I can go back and log in. I just pressed it for anyone who was lost. I was going to copy and paste, but I just pressed it. Okay, so now we are here. Now we are a member of CKay Press. So the first thing you want to do is basically go down to, so you'll see your email here, and I want to go down to start selling, okay? So we want to start selling here on CKay Press. So what happens is it tells you that you can pick different options that are best for you. And this is what I like to say about print on demand. And this is not fulfillment. When you do print on demand, you never have any upfront costs. When you do fulfillment, you have to pay to get the product shipped. I always try my best to educate you guys on the two different things. So basically it tells you, you create and upload, they'll sell the products for you and you make the money. You can go ahead and hit add your designs. Or it says, do you have a website, blog, or a built-in audience? You can create your shop. And then they have the fan portal, okay? So I'm just gonna click learn more on the shops. And it says, you know, design and sell your merchandise. Gives you a little bit overview right here as well. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and open a shop, because that is kind of what we're here for. Now, since I have another account, I've already read the terms and agreements, okay? So make sure that you read this stuff, you go through it, and you read what it says, so there's no risk of anything, all right? Hit the accept button, and now here we are. We're gonna go ahead and name our shop. It's gonna be called Dear Military Spouse. And soon as I type in Dear Military Spouse, what happens is it populates cafepress.com for me. So at the top, open your shop in 4 easy steps. You name your shop. You have a unique URL. Then it says, do you have artwork ready for your products? Yes, I do. Now, if you don't, make sure you answer the question correctly. Describe your shop. Let us know the type of shop you are creating. So let me see. I feel like it's just going to be a business, okay? So what's the number one reason? I want to sell merchandise. I want to sell my artwork, okay? So then you can put in your birthday. I'm going to put in mine. Okay. Y'all can send me a birthday gift. And then I'm going to hit agree, okay? So we are on our way to creating our shop. Hit save and next. So now we're here where it says choose a theme for your store. So here's the first one. Yeah, I think I like the first one. Just looking at these, they don't look fun. And then you can also choose, let's see what they have for military. Because this is Dear Military Spouse. Oh no. Fun. Let's see what modern looks like. Urban, retro, animal. Why is the animal one cuter? I really like the animal one. Why is the animal stores cuter than like the regular stores? That is so funny. School. So let's go back to simple. I'm going to keep it right there and I'm going to hit save or next. And remember, it says you can put I prefer no theme. So I'm going to hit save and next. So it says choose a product set. Choose one of the product sets to easily pre-fill your shop with a great selection of items. Items will be blank, and then you'll add your design later. So I kind of want to do everything. So I'm going to choose the apparel. But, okay, let's go back. Because, business logwear, gifts, and items. So I always do apparel. So this time, let's do gifts. But note that you can build your own set. So you can either choose the 34 items here, or you can do the 27 items here, 27 items, or you can build your own. So I want to be adventurous and hit build your own. And let's see. So they have women's shirt. Ooh, but now going through this selection, what happens is it seems to be a little bit more time consuming because you have to go through every single thing. You get it? Yeah, you get it. So let's go back. But I wanted to be able to give you guys that option to see what you do. So let's choose gift. I want to choose the gift set because I want to just go totally left field here. And I'm going to upload a new design. So make sure, again, you're not doing any trademark stuff, things like that. Okay, so no copying other cafe owners. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So I declare that this is my original design, and I'm gonna hit continue. And earlier I downloaded my military spouse design, so I'm gonna hit open. So that design is coming up, and I'm gonna name the image. It's just the military spouse brand logo. I'm gonna tag it with a few things. Milspo, Army wives, military mom, super wife, DD214, BAH, TRICARE, all the things I signed up to marry this man for. I'm just playing. What else? Dependa. It's always a fun one to do that. So I have these, I named the image, I described the image, I put some tags in it. Now it shows me over here, my shop name is Dear Military Spouse, my theme is Simple C, and my product set is gifts. So I'm gonna click create my shop, okay? And then we'll go to the next step. Did I click it? I don't know what happened. It's doing something. Okay, so I hit create my shop and this is what comes up. It says, congratulations, your shop has been created. Your URL is cafepress.com. Dear military spouse, you can share. It says, adjust your price markup. The first set of products that you just created are priced to sell with the 20% royalty earning. You can change that store-wide here. It says your product will also be sold on our marketplace. Would you prefer not to? That means anyone can take my design, and I feel like that means I can get money for them placing it on their designs or something like that. And then it says you can add your shop to opt out of that. And then here you can add more shop stuff and keywords and things like that. So the first thing I want to do is I want to open up this and change my prices. So my markups. So they said it's 25. So let me see. Stainless steel water bottle. Let's go. Let's just go $3 more. That's it. Let's go $3 more. So I'm going to go $3 more on everything. Okay. I'm going to hit save. So it's updating my prices and that is complete. So I'll close that window. Then it says, I'm going to keep this here. So it says change my shop title and things like that. So let's go ahead and see my shop profile. Dear military spouse, the description of the shop will, so I'm just going to put the military spouse and military spouse as a keyword. Dear military spouse, the military spouse, army wife, army wives, mil sew. Just a few words. Again, make sure you do this for your shop. I'm not going to opt out and I'm not going to keep it private. So I'm just going to hit save changes. So my info on that has been updated. Now it says I need to do my payment information. So I'm going to go here and open that to do my payment information. I hope you guys are keeping up. Okay, so I want to be paid via PayPal. I'm going to put my PayPal email in there. And it says at minimum, what would you like to send us? Hey, send it when it gets $25, okay? So then I'm gonna go ahead and put my information here and I'm gonna do my W-9 information and I'm gonna put all that in off of screen and then I'll come back. Okay, so I am having the most issues with getting the payment information done. So I don't know. I've tried it 20 different ways. I don't know what is going on. So I'm going to keep going and start doing stuff like the shop profile because that payment information stuff just gave me a run for my money. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the shop profile I'm just going to start clicking things just to make sure that the store is ready. So it says view templates. I think we've done this. This is like the templates of the store here. So it did have things like colors and fonts. So this is in the template part. I'm just going to pretty much leave everything alone. Not going to do any custom HTML. So it says additional settings and tools, display features, bulk add products, bulk remove, change storeware prices, payment plan, edit tracking information, view sales report. So I think we are pretty much done, but I'm going to go ahead and view the shop so we can see what we're working with. So they've already put the design on the shirts and some of the things. Okay, cool. So we want to go back and get in there to see how we can, I guess, handle these products. So it says manage products in selection. So I'm going to end this video here. So then in the next video, we can talk about editing your products and adding more products to your store. So this very first video, we went through how to set up your shop, how to put in things in place, how to choose your themes. Note that I myself had payment issues. I am going to email them to see what the problem is. I tried it 20 different ways and it kept saying it was unable to process my payment setup or whatever. I don't know. So that is an issue that I am having. I am a US citizen. I have PayPal and a bank account, but neither one of these things would work for me. So I don't know. I am going to try again later, but for right now, I'm just going to say, all right, I'm good on that. So until next time, in the next video, we'll be uploading and editing the bulk products on CKay Press. I love you more than I love this video. Peace.